Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the Saturn Selection Box by Black Cat Fireworks. Now I've got this box for £60 online and I will leave the website in the description below. Now as you can see in this box it does have a total NEC weight of 799 grams. Now included in this selection pack there are 12 fireworks altogether. As you can see, it does actually give you a firing sequence in which you can display these fireworks. As well as with any selection box, you do receive some sparklers included. Now, so starting off, in this box we have a fountain called Space Unity. Now this firework lasts for 30 seconds and has a total NEC weight of 48 grams. Following on, we have the Under Siege, which is another fountain which lasts for 30 seconds there, that works. And it also has NEC weight of 48 grams. Now this cake does actually is another fountain. The total selection box does come with 6 fountains in total, as well as 6 shot cakes, this being number 3, Ultimatum. Also again it is a 30 seconds and 48 grams. Moving on, we have Night Watch. It lasts for 30 seconds and NEC weight of 48 grams. Here we have Divergence, which is number 5 out of the fountains, which lasts for 30 seconds also, and also has an NEC weight of 48 grams. Last but not least, out of the fountains we have Flashpoint, which is the last of the fountains, which is also 30 seconds and has a total NEC weight of 48 grams. Now we'll move on to the shot cakes. So the first of the 6 shot cakes is Captive State. Now as you can see, this is a 4-shot cake, and this has a total NEC weight of 42 grams. Following on, we have the second of the 4 shot cakes, which is called Midnight Run. Now, as you can see, this is a 4-shot cake also, and has an NEC weight of 42 grams. Now, as we move on to the third cake, it does actually go up in the amount of shots that it does have to offer. This one is called Close Quarters and it's a 9-shot cake. And this does actually have a high NEC count of 96 grams. Moving on, we have the second 9-shot cake, which is called Cyber Attack. Which has an NEC weight of 96 grams. Now the final cakes are actually a lot bigger compared to the few I've shown you already. Now these are the largest, these are the 16-shot cakes. This one is called Rolling Thunder. And this has a total NEC weight of 96 grams also. And the last one in the selection pack is this one called Vacant Peak, which is a 16-shot cake. Which has a total NEC weight of 96 grams. And finally, as mentioned before, we do have 2 packs of sparklers called Light Ray Sparklers. Both include 5 in each pack. As you can see here, this is a final overview of all the fireworks included in the selection pack. And I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and I'd appreciate if you could like and subscribe. Thank you very much.